Hello guys and welcome. I'm pretty sure I'm watching in ClickBank account of many of you where balance is actually zero. And I'm pretty sure that many of you watch thousands and thousands of videos where people teaching you how you can make $500, $1,000, $5,000 per week promoting ClickBank offers. And of course, everything is for free. Let me teach you something in the very early beginning of this video. There is no such a thing like free traffic instantly. You can have free traffic if you invest a lot of time and effort in SEO, building your blog, or if you have huge audience on YouTube or social media or something like that. But if you are brand new in affiliate marketing and have no website older than several weeks, have no social media accounts which are very well engaged, you simply need to pay traffic, and that's brutal truth. I will show you the easiest way how you can gain some earnings on ClickBank, and you need to watch this video from perspective that affiliate marketing is classic sales included with marketing promotion. So you need to pay to promote something that you get revenue. So let's start. Well, I'm pretty sure that many of you heard for this website called Udemy. It's a place where you can buy solo ads, and in case that accidentally you don't know what solo ad means, is a place where people who have huge mailing lists sell you traffic. Actually, they sell you clicks to your affiliate offer, and they say that you can get some opt-ins or sales or things like that. What I don't like with Udemy is that it's oversaturated place, and I don't even want to log in inside because I say that this platform is not what it used to be before. And if you plan to use Udemy, I guarantee you will simply waste your money. Look at this. They say find the best solo ad sellers, and they say, you see, you have some guys they recommend here. I don't want to say which one I try, but I try almost all of them. And they have some testimonials from people. And look what they say. Traffic is gold. I have 48 opt-in rate, 3 sales already. I'm thrilled. Excellent solo, 40% opt-in, got 3 sales on the front end. 17 direct solo sales. You can't beat that. Udemy is the best. I guarantee this data is not correct, because I try many ways for traffic. Also, I try Udemy, and trust me, these numbers are maybe 3 people from 5,000 customers, which you simply cannot compare, because oversaturated traffic is not something what it's quality traffic. And I agree, they have filtered clicks, bot protection, so on. But the main reason why Udemy still works is because many affiliate marketers recommend Udemy like platform, and they receive commission for new customers who buy traffic here. And that's the only way why these people who sell solo ads here still have job, because traffic they provide is trash. It's absolutely trash. So the way what I find something what it's very good, where you won't regret using paying solo ads, is some another platform. You know what's the problem when you buy Google ads or Facebook ads? It's the best way how to promote any kind of affiliate or any kind of other offer. But the biggest problem what Facebook have is, for example, to narrow traffic. You will get huge amount of audience which you need to closely and precisely and laser targeted narrow to get potential customers. So lucky there is one website, I will put you link in description, which provide you service with proven traffic. And what that means, you can go here and order traffic And you need to understand that quality traffic is not cheap. And what that means, these guys sell you three kind only of tier 1 traffic. That means USA, Canada, Australia, UK, New Zealand. So that means top tier countries. And look what they say. You have option 1, premium tier 1 traffic. And they say here, explaining what that means. But if you promote ClickBank or any kind of offer, you want buyer's traffic. What that means? He collects people who already buy some things from BizOp offers. So when you sell some, promote some service about how to make money online or whatever, you want people who are already buyers, who are get used to buy things like that. So he provides buyers traffic. So when you go down, you have buyers traffic. So 100 clicks, 200 clicks, 300, 5,000 clicks. And for me, if you ask me, the best way is to start with at least 200 buyers traffic, and it's $300. So that means if you promote high cost offer from ClickBank, you will pay it €300, but you promote it to people who are buyers already. So that means you expect turnover, which will cover this cost and make you profit. And let's explain right now how to pick offer which will pay you back this investment. So now when we have source, we need offer. I hope that I don't need to go deep to explain how affiliate marketing promotion works. But in short words, you find offer, you make that offer link cute with bit.ly or some other kind of link shortener and put it in your traffic source, in this case this solo ad what I show you. Then when person click on your link, you will take him not to the offer, you will take him to some bridge page where you will connect his email. And after he opt in, you will take him to your final destination, and that's offer. So you will need to shorter a link to your bridge page, and on bridge page opt-in form, you will need to make after opt-in to redirect person to your affiliate offer. So once when you are in ClickBank, you will click here on Marketplace, and as this guy explained, he have buyers for BizOp. That means e-business and e-marketing. And now, listen me very carefully. I know that everyone will tell you, promote offers with high gravity, promote offers with blah, blah, blah. But I will tell you like this. Think in this way. How much you pay traffic and you find offer which can pay you back your investment, you will promote the highest offer which you can find. For example, you probably heard for John Crestani his super affiliate system. It doesn't have such a huge gravity, it's 32, but it means it's still something what you can sell. If you sell only one this offer, you will get double return of investment. So you can make link rotator and some part of your traffic sent to super affiliate offer, and some another part of your traffic you can filter gravity if you want here up to 50, and for example find the 12-minute affiliate system with gravity of 106. So one way or another you have several options how to pick offer, and it's very important to understand promoting offers with $27 of commission will never return you your invested money. And because you pay expensive buyers traffic, that means that people you targeting are people who are willing to buy this kind of offers. You will collect their emails, you will send them future offers, you won't spam them, you will send them something smart what you have. You will turn them in your customers, and you have opportunity to earn money promoting them high paying offers from ClickBank. Don't forget one thing. ClickBank have spammy products, and many people ask refund after a while. Why I tell you to promote super affiliate system, because it's built that you need to wait a couple of weeks to end up that course, to learn things which you can actually collect all of them on YouTube or on other sources on internet. But you will avoid that period of refund. I know it's maybe not ethical. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just explaining you why that kind of offers will return you all investments what you put on solo ads. So I hope, guys, you understand everything what I'm trying to say. I hope you understand how to pick offer, and now it's just up to you. You have a link in description and you can start to promote any offer you find okay for you and your future business. See you next video.